I want to forget you and tell you how much I love you. I want to.
Hey honeys, it's Rashad and I'm back with another video. If this is your first time seeing my brothers, make sure you subscribe to this channel because it's fun as fuck. And if you already put that hi, welcome back, honey bee. Pop, 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 pop. I don't know why I did that. First of all, y'all, I know this has been a minute since I posted. Don't be mad at your girl, okay? Don't be mad at your girl, but you know, life been throwing bricks in my glass house, so a girl had to, you know, get her life again. So I had to get my life. If you guys want to know what's been happening in the past few weeks, a month, leave a comment and I'll make a video explaining, you know, what all happened. But if you guys really don't care and y'all just ready to get back to the looks and the makeup and the wigs, then yeah, today I have a wig review for you guys. As you guys can see, I am wearing this blonde dark roots goddess, like very chic, very cute. Okay, this wig is from Readywig. I want to say thank you to Readywig for sending me this wig and also being so patient with me on this review. I know it's taken a long time, but I just wanted to make sure I had it perfect for you guys, and a lot of things have been going on behind the scenes, so I want to thank you for being so patient with me and thank you for sending me this wig. So the wig comes in this box, as you guys can see, and they do send you a pair of lashes. So cute. They send you a spray bottle, I guess, like to make a mixture and spray. That was cute. Like I was saying, I guess to make a mixture and spray on your wigs or to spray on your braids under your wigs to keep your braids safe. Either way, spray bottle is always nice to have. They also send you a hair care card, maintenance card, and they have their YouTube and Instagram, and I think this is Facebook on the back if you guys wanted to screenshot and message them. There you go. And they also sent me some wig caps, which is always great to have wig caps, so thank you, Readywig. The inside of the box says, Readywig, I love that we met and hope you enjoyed the hair. And readywig.com. Okay, so boom. I've had this wig for a very long time now, but I have not really worn it until maybe 2-3 days ago. In another video that's going to be coming to you guys, I wore this wig for the first time, and it was a collab video. You guys will also see this wig in that video, but I've been wearing it without makeup. I'm wearing it with makeup. I like the wig. The only thing about it that I'm not really very fond of is that the wig is asymmetrical. As you guys can see, like, it's short in the back, long in the front, and I know a lot of people do like that. It's just I personally, I like my bobs blunt, like a blunt cut. So I think I'm going to cut this wig very blunt after I'm done with this video. But it is a very cute cut. It did come to me in the middle part, but I already was uncomfortable with the asymmetricalness of it, so I made it a side part. But it has the frontal all the way right here. It's on the sides too, so you can definitely switch your part around. What else? It doesn't really tangle. It does shed. It does shed. But as far as the wig, this wig does not look synthetic in my opinion. Like, it doesn't have bad shine to it, and the dark roots are all the way through. Like, it is dark roots all the way to the end. So if you're, you know, a fan of dark roots, it has dark roots all throughout. Look at the color of it, you guys. This is because I put a ponytail. If you put a ponytail holder, it's gonna leave a mark, so definitely go and pass a flat iron. but I haven't passed the flat iron in about 2-3 days, and this is how it looks. Very cute, very cute. At Readywig, they have great customer service, and this wig is marketed as a ash blonde. I'm not really seeing ash blonde, I'm seeing like blonde, like 613 blonde, but either way, it's bomb. Like, this wig is very cute. You guys will see in another video I wore this wig, and it is really cute with or without makeup. You guys can see the color. And it moves, like, it doesn't get all stiff. It does move, like, it's pretty much like a human hair wig, in my opinion. It looks like human hair wig. The only thing I can say is I had a hard time with the frontal. I did. It's not, you know, laid to the gauze like it should be, but it's okay. All you really would need to do is pluck it more, which I did pluck this wig. I just didn't pluck it, you know, too much. And believe it or not, you guys, I do not have my wig glued down right now. Like, it's just sitting on my head because it has adjustable straps and clips. So I have my clips connected and I have my adjustable straps on, so the wig, it's not going nowhere and it's not glued down, so that is a plus. All I did with it was I, you know, got some edge control, did 2 baby hairs, and that's it. I did have to trim the sides for my ear tabs, which, you know, is regular. If you want your wig to fit comfortably, you're gonna have to do that regardless. So yeah, you guys let me know how you feel about this wig. I'm gonna leave a poll on the screen, y'all. I haven't done a video in so long, I don't remember where the poll is gonna pop up. It's gonna be either be here or it's gonna be here, I don't know, but wherever the poll pops up, y'all let me know how y'all feeling about this wig. I like it, I like it. Y'all know I'm easy to please when it comes to the wig. I'm very easy to please. Yeah. And y'all also let me know if y'all like this makeup. I thought it was pretty cool or whatever. It didn't really come out how I wanted it to, and plus my lip is a little dark to me, but it's okay. So yeah, y'all let me know how y'all like this wig. I'm so sorry if you guys can hear the AC or the rain right now, because for some reason it decides to rain right when I pull out the camera. But yeah, I really miss you guys, and I want to say thank you for the support, and I also want to say thank you to the negative comments. You know, y'all really helped me to get back. Like, oh, I have to show them better than I can tell them, because y'all really be trying it in the comments, but Rochelle not the one. Rochelle's not the one. Y'all not gonna try me. I get that together. Anyways, to my supporters, I miss y'all, and I'm doing this for y'all. I'm trying to stick through it for y'all, and I appreciate y'all for watching. If y'all don't want to watch anymore, that's fine, but please keep tuning in, keep going on this journey with me, and I love you all. I can't wait to see you next time.
Perfect.